Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on plant evolution, and this question was taken from the November 2015 Eastern Cape Education exam. So let's jump in. Study the phylogenetic tree below, taking note of how the 4 plant divisions have evolved, and answer the questions that follow. So we've got the phylogenetic tree, which shows the relationships between each of the different groups, as well as certain characteristics of each group. First question, 2.3.1. What is the ancestral form of all plant divisions shown? So where did it all start? And we can see it all starts down below with algae. So 2.3.1, algae. Second question. Which plant division is best adapted to life on land? Now, if we have a look at the last 2 groups here, the gymnosperms and our angiosperms, we can see that the angiosperms have a bit more features than the gymnosperms. Where the gymnosperms have naked seeds and cones, the angiosperms have the fruit, the enclosed seeds, and the flowers. These features make them more or best adapted to life on land because the seeds are enclosed and protected by the fruit, and the flowers is there to attract pollinators. So 2.3.2 is angiosperms. And the last question, 2.3.3, which plants are the most closely related, for 2 marks? Well, this is also an easy one. We just need to look at the end of our phylogenetic tree here, and we can see that the gymnosperms and the angiosperms come from the same branch, so those 2 are the most closely related. So gymnosperms and our angiosperms. And that's it. But before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials. And if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.